Yo, what is up? Welcome back to Chad Outdoors. Brute Force, of course, behind me. I'm not stuck in a mud hole today. I'm not burning through the mud holes. Not jumping stuff yet. But what is going on is I have ordered the Elkas Stage 3 front and rear shocks. If you want to float across something, just take the old Brute Force with some noodles on it. Lots of 60 miles an hour. They seem to walk away, but I'll give you guys. Check it out. Ordered it directly from Elkas. It was on sale for a whopping $13.99. Regular price $15.99. So yeah, save some money. I went ahead and pulled the trigger on it, and they were ordered on December 21st, so it should be showing up soon. Let me know what you think. When I do get them, we're gonna take out these old junkers. They're the factories. I mean, they're good and all. They're not junkers, but they just bottom out. If you get this thing airborne and land, it's gonna bottom out most of the time. So I'm hearing that the Elkas are super awesome. When you land it, you can jump. You're not gonna bottom out. Let me know if you want me to show you the install video. And then also, something funny. Wife says she watches these videos. Well, I'll find out if she watches this one, because she'll be like, you spent how much on some shocks? But we'll see if she watches. Anyway, if you want to see the install video, I'll get one ready. I think these things are going to show up in the next few weeks. They said when I ordered it, it could take 8 to 10 weeks. And it looks like they are starting to ship some out. So what are we about? I don't know, 4 or 5 weeks in. So maybe in 3 weeks they could show up. It's gonna be a little bit. I want to give you a preview and want to hear some comments. If anyone runs those Elkas Stage 3s, let me know what you think, how it makes the Brute Force ride. And I will love to hear the feedback. So please comment, like, subscribe.